पहली बार कोई सरकार अपने 2 कार्यकाल पूरे करने के बाद तीसरी बार वापस आई है। आज की ये विजय दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतंत्र की जीत है। ये भारत के संविधान पर अटूट निष्ठा की जीत है। ये विकसित भारत के प्रण की जीत है। ये सबका साथ सबका विकास इस मंत्र की जीत है। 10 साल के बाद लगातार तीसरी बार जनता जनार्दन का प्यार, उनका आशीर्वाद हमारा हौसला बढ़ाता है, हमारे संकल्प को नई मजबूती देता है, नई ऊर्जा देता है। हमारे विरोधी एकजुट होकर भी उतनी सीटें नहीं जीत पाए जितनी इस लोकसभा चुनाव में अकेली बीजेपी ने जीती है। भाजपा उड़ीसा में सरकार बनाने जा रही है और लोकसभा चुनाव में भी उड़ीसा ने बेहतरीन प्रदर्शन किया है। ये पहली बार होगा जब महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ की धरती पर बीजेपी का मुख्यमंत्री होगा। आंध्र प्रदेश में चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी के नेतृत्व में एनडीए ने शानदार प्रदर्शन किया है। बिहार में नीतीश बाबू के नेतृत्व में भी एनडीए ने शानदार प्रदर्शन किया है। साथियों, 10 वर्ष पहले देश ने बदलाव के लिए जनादेश दिया था। मध्य प्रदेश, गुजरात, छत्तीसगढ़, दिल्ली, उत्तराखंड, हिमाचल, ऐसे कई राज्यों में हमारी पार्टी ने लगभग क्लीन स्वीप किया है। मैं इन राज्यों की जनता को विश्वास दिलाता हूं कि केंद्र सरकार आपके विकास के लिए कोई कोर कसर बाकी नहीं छोड़ेगी। तेलंगाना में हमारी संख्या 2 गुना हो गई है।
Okay, we're bringing you now all of the developments that are taking place today. Remember, we told you a big INDI alliance meeting is set to take place, and regarding that right now, MK Stalin of the DMK, Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. Remember, Tamil Nadu saw a clean sweep virtually by the INDI. He's just left for Delhi for that meeting. Remember, the INDIA has some key movements that are set to take place in the next few hours. Let's just go over to our colleague Poonima to understand more. Poonima, for MK Stalin, yesterday was an incredibly fortuitous day. The DMK-led alliance comprising of the Congress, the DMK left parties, Dalit groups, minority parties had a huge showing yesterday itself. Tell us a little bit more about what's on the agenda for MK Stalin today.
Well, as you can see, MK Stalin is all set to leave for Delhi to attend the INDI bloc meeting that's scheduled later this evening in the national capital. MK Stalin yesterday had addressed the media and said that people have given a clear mandate for the INDI bloc, and not just in Tamil Nadu, but the numbers across the country proves that many people are in fact looking for a change in the central government, and says that he will be personally attending the meeting that is scheduled for the evening and promises that the work towards 2026 will also continue, because that's when Tamil Nadu will go to polls. But at the moment, DMK is hopeful that they could well form the next government, and therefore DMK, which plays a significant role as far as the INDI bloc is concerned, because it's been a very loyal ally of the Congress, and now that the DMK has swept elections, winning all the 39 seats in Tamil Nadu and 1 seat in Puducherry, Stalin confident that there is still scope for a change as far as the central leadership is concerned.
Okay, let's go over now to our colleague Arunima for an overview of this entire story. So the INDIA meeting today, the NDA meeting today, and the movements that remain on each side. Arunima, since yesterday evening, the big question on everyone's minds has been whether the TDP, the JDU, whether the INDIA could enter into conversation with them, what the NDA will look to have as a pound of flesh. Can you just tell our audiences a little bit more about the mood at both headquarters right now, the BJP and of course the Congress, and then tell us a little bit about the movements we can expect through the day today?
To answer the first part of your question, Rahul Gandhi, when he did the press conference yesterday, was asked whether, his party and the India bloc are attempting to form a government, because of course the single largest party in this election is the Bharatiya Janata Party. So if you go precisely by the constitutional position, they have the right, and they have a National Democratic Alliance, a pre-poll alliance, which has the numbers. So between TDP and Janata Dal United, unless they decide to call off this alliance, there's no reason why any other bloc should even think about forming the government. Having said that, JDU and TDP have recently come into the NDA fold. Like Manoj Jha of RJD said yesterday, till very recently, TDP and JDU both were in alliance with the parties of the India bloc. So will they recalibrate? And the reason for recalibration that is being speculated is also because Nitish Kumar is known to switch sides. It's not the first time that he has switched sides. And that's why Manoj Jha has really given more fire to that speculation. However, on record, JDU leaders have come out and said that there is no rethink, that Nitish Kumar is for the India bloc. In fact, BJP leaders in Bihar that I spoke to also said that when Samrat Chaudhary, the Bihar BJP president, called on Nitish Kumar yesterday, the sense that the BJP Bihar unit got was that there is nothing amiss, everything is in place. Just before the results were announced, Nitish Kumar was in Delhi and he met the Prime Minister here as well. So having said that, we'll have to wait and see what is it that Nitish Kumar wants from those who are wanting to come to power, be it on the BJP side or on the Congress side. What is it? Because, Nitish Kumar was labelled before these elections happened as the leader of a party which was on the decline. Let's talk about Chandrababu Naidu now. Has emerged very strong, not just in the Lok Sabha polls, but in the assembly elections as well. He was supposed to hold a press conference last evening, which was subsequently postponed, and that gave more fodder to the rumor mills. What is Chandrababu Naidu's next strategy? Both of these leaders, Naidu and Nitish Kumar, will fly from their respective state capitals around 11:30 and expected to be in Delhi by this afternoon. And I think it's only when their first rounds of meeting happen with the NDA leadership, both the Prime Minister, the Home Minister and the BJP President JP Nadda, will there be further clarity about the shape that the new government is going to take.
Incredible. Okay, Arunima, do stay with us. We'll just come back to you. We have some more breaking news.